wasn't like, what? Oh, jeez.
It's Friday.
Oh, jeez.
We gotta walk to the bus. Come on, kids. We gotta be very consistent. Come on, Brooke. Nathan, I want you to try to stay under an umbrella with me. We used to get picked up right here at 7:20 all year long. In the last month of school, they want us walking down this highway. Here we go. Okay, stop. Okay, let's walk down. Okay, Nathan, I need you to get in line with me, like up front. There you go. 'Cause I can't.
So I don't fall out of the umbrella.
Right. Come on, that bus is waiting for us.
That's nice. But it puts a reflection in it.
Come on, Nathan, you gotta walk faster. I'll walk on the side right here. Gosh, we're right in the road. They're gonna have to, maybe they'll be kind enough to go around us on a double line. Which they will. I don't think it's safe, but it's soaking wet. Okay, stop.
Looks umbrella is drooping. Look at that. Look how funny it is.
Okay, keep stopped here. Oh. Okay, come forward. Can you hold this? Wait, can you grab that, Nathan? The blanket. Oh! Okay, come on, Nathan.
So hard.
Oh no, the bus is going. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Stop! No!